Have you ever found yourself planning a trip abroad, only to be left wondering if your trusty Robinhood credit card will be your international travel companion? Well, let's dive into that question today. The Robinhood credit card, with its sleek design and unique perks, has quickly become a popular choice among many. But when it comes to international travel, there are a few factors to consider. Foreign transaction fees. One of the most common concerns is foreign transaction fees. These fees are charged by your credit card issuer when you make purchases in a foreign currency. So, does the Robinhood credit card come with these fees? International acceptance. Another important factor is international acceptance. Will your Robinhood card be widely accepted in different countries and regions? Additional considerations. Beyond fees and acceptance, there might be other factors to keep in mind, such as currency exchange rates and potential security risks. Answering the question, can I use my Robinhood credit card for international purchases? The short answer is yes, you can generally use your Robinhood credit card for international purchases. However, there are a few things to be aware of. Foreign transaction fees. Unfortunately, the Robinhood credit card does charge foreign transaction fees. This means you'll pay a percentage of your purchase amount in addition to the regular transaction fee. The exact percentage can vary, so it's a good idea to check your card's terms and conditions for the most accurate information. International acceptance. While the Robinhood credit card is generally accepted in many countries, there might be some limitations in less visited regions or smaller establishments. It's always a good idea to have a backup payment method, such as a travel card or another credit card, just in case. Currency exchange rates. When using your Robinhood credit card abroad, the transaction will be converted from the foreign currency to your home currency. The exchange rate used can impact the final cost of your purchase. It's worth comparing the exchange rates offered by your credit card issuer to those available through other sources, such as currency exchange services. Security. International travel can sometimes pose additional security risks. It's important to take precautions to protect your card and personal information. This includes keeping your card in a secure place, monitoring your account activity regularly, and being cautious of suspicious transactions. Tips for using your Robinhood credit card internationally. Notify your bank before traveling. Inform your bank or credit card issuer of your travel plans. This will help prevent your card from being declined due to unusual activity. Consider a travel card. If you're planning to travel frequently or spend a significant amount of money abroad, a travel card might be a better option. These cards often offer no foreign transaction fees and competitive exchange rates. Be mindful of fees. Keep an eye on your transactions and be aware of any additional fees that may be charged, such as cash advance fees or ATM fees. Research local customs. Familiarize yourself with local customs and payment practices. Some countries may have different expectations or restrictions regarding credit card usage. While you can use your Robinhood credit card for international purchases, it's important to be aware of the potential costs and limitations. By understanding foreign transaction fees, international acceptance, currency exchange rates, and security considerations, you can make informed decisions and maximize the benefits of your card while traveling. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.